Dollarweed, frequently called pennywort, is a water-loving weed that produces round, silver dollar-sized leaves that resemble small lily pads. It thrives in areas where turf is thin or unhealthy. If unchecked, dollarweed plants can crowd out your desirable turf or other landscape elements. Dollarweed germinates in the spring or early summer, depending on your regional climate. The best way to get control of dollarweed is to establish a lawn care schedule for your property and stick with it. An important step in controlling dollarweed on your property is to remove excess moisture in your lawn. To reduce the chance of dollarweed making a return to your lawn, apply a pre-emergent weed preventer in the early spring, after the last frost of winter, but before soil temperatures warm enough to allow dollarweed seed germination.
Another application can be made in the fall when the soil temperatures are 70 degrees and dropping.
Weed preventers, including the active ingredient isoxaben, are good options for preventing the germination of new dollarweed seeds. Always follow any labeled instructions for pre-emergent application. If you already see dollarweed in your lawn, you should apply a post-emergent herbicide product labeled for dollarweed or pennywort control. Products with the active ingredients 2,4-D and dicamba are good post-emergent choices for fighting dollarweed. Make sure you select a product that is labeled as safe for use on your turf type. When checking compatibility, always look for both of this weed's common names, as they can be used interchangeably. Follow the recommended mix ratio and any instructions listed on the product label of the herbicide you're using. Work your way around the lawn or landscaped area where dollarweed has been sighted, and apply evenly. Dollarweed can also grow in or around bodies of water. Confirm that the product you've selected is labeled for use on aquatic weeds if the application takes place near water. Always wear the appropriate PPE, including chemical-resistant gloves, long sleeves, long pants, and closed-toed shoes when preparing or applying any herbicide product. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.